Hello, today I will talk about rock salt to ease muscle pain. 9. Promotes healthy skin. When used in scrubs, rock salt exfoliates dead skin cells, improves circulation, and leaves the skin smoother and more radiant. 8. Reduces stress. A rock salt bath relaxes the body, soothing tense muscles, calming the nervous system, and reducing stress and anxiety levels. 7. Boosts circulation. Rock salt improves blood flow when applied topically or consumed, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to tissues, promoting overall cardiovascular health. 6. Aids digestion. Rock salt stimulates digestive enzymes, which improve digestion by enhancing nutrient absorption and reducing bloating, promoting a healthy digestive system. 5. Regulates blood pressure. With a balanced sodium-potassium content, rock salt helps regulate blood pressure more effectively than regular table salt, reducing the risk of hypertension. 4. Boosts immunity. The essential minerals in rock salt support immune function by helping the body fight off infections and maintain a robust defense mechanism. 3. Supports weight loss. By boosting digestion and metabolism, rock salt assists in weight management, aiding the breakdown of fat and elimination of waste. 2. Respiratory relief. Rock salt inhalation therapies or steam treatments help clear mucus, soothe irritated airways, and alleviate conditions like asthma and allergies. 1. Relieves muscle cramps. Its magnesium content helps relax muscles, relieving cramps and spasms, making it beneficial for athletes and individuals experiencing muscle tension. Thanks for watching. Dietitian and naturopath Neetu.